Do you grind or clench your teeth without realizing it? You might have bruxism. It's a habit where you grind, clench, or push your jaw, often while you're asleep. It's common in kids but can affect anyone. Signs: headaches, jaw or ear pain, sensitive teeth, and worn down enamel. Sometimes a partner may hear you grinding at night. Is it harmful? Occasional grinding is harmless, but frequent bruxism can lead to tooth damage, chronic jaw pain, and poor sleep. Causes: stress, anxiety, caffeine, smoking, alcohol, certain medications, and even family history. What to do? See your dentist. They may suggest a custom night guard or refer you to a specialist. A sleep study might help if it's happening at night. At home, try stress relief techniques, get good sleep, cut back on caffeine and alcohol, and do gentle jaw exercises. Take care of your teeth. Don't let stress wear them down. Follow for more health tips.